Hey, it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today I wanted to do a pros and cons video on the Ray-Ban Stories. I'm not going to get into very technical details on them. I just bought these only to do POVs of amusement park rides, and now let's get into my pros and cons of these glasses. The first pro about these glasses is you can pretty much take them on any amusement park ride since they're glasses. You do need a glasses strap. I use a Chum glasses strap. It kind of fits on these big chunky ends here. I tried a couple different ones, but the Chums seem to work best. With these, you can take them on any amusement park ride. The battery life on these glasses is okay for an amusement park. You can get a few rides as long as you're quick going in between them, but as long as you throw them back on the case in between rides, you can get a charge back up. Another pro about these glasses is they have pretty much the same weight as a normal set of glasses. They're not too heavy. They look like glasses. I've had these for about 8 months now, and out of the last 8 months, I've only had one person ever notice that I had smart glasses on. Now let's get into the cons of these glasses. So the first major one is they can only shoot for 1 minute, and you have to go in and edit the settings to actually be able to do that, which makes recording amusement park rides a little bit tricky because a lot of them are longer than a minute long. Next con about these glasses is they can only hold 15 minutes worth of video. The only good thing is while you're waiting in line, it's pretty easy to sideload these off onto your phone, and then you can free up space. A next con about these glasses is they only shoot in 30 frames per second, and they only shoot in a resolution of 1184 by 1184. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio, kind of a square image. I think it was originally built for like Instagram or Facebook, but yeah, it kind of sucks when you're trying to make like a full 16:9 resolution with these glasses. A next con about these glasses is I wouldn't say they're great in cold or hot climates. I've actually had them shut off on a roller coaster from getting too cold while riding the ride. And then in the summertime, while I was in Florida, I've had these shut off and the sides get really hot and then they overheat and shut down. Another issue with these glasses is they're not water resistant. So if you're riding any water rides, or if it's even somewhat raining outside, I've gotten them a little bit wet, just a few drops on them. But other than that, I dry them off right away, and I've never got them very soaked. Another con about these glasses is when you're riding rides, the mics pick up a ton of wind noise. So I have to run a filter on them later, and I'll show an example of the video with the filter and without the filter. Another issue with these glasses is I've had a lot of problems connecting with the app sometimes to sideload the videos off. That's one thing I do hate about equipment like this is there's no hard connection. It only sends it from Bluetooth over to your phone. So if something weird happens with it, there's no way it knows what's wrong with these things. Another con about these glasses is the case is a little large. So if you're trying to fit these in like a small fanny pack at an amusement park, it can be a little tight with this case. Another con about these glasses while riding like dark rides in an amusement park or anything, there's a little light on the inside that kind of shines into your eye to let you know you're recording. When you're in a very dark ride, it glares off this whole lens and you won't even be able to see out of this full right side right here, just from the glare of that. Another bad thing about this light too is on a super bright day, and since it only has 1 minute recording time, sometimes it is hard to see if the glasses are still recording, and I've missed recording the end of a ride. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully these pros and cons help you make a decision. I'll have some affiliate links below if you want to click those to actually purchase these glasses or even the Chums. But that's how I get a lot of my videos. If anyone has any suggestions about any other good camera glasses out there that shoot actually a 16:9 resolution or higher res than these, or longer so you don't have to have the 1 minute, please leave a suggestion in the comments below. And thanks for watching.